So he was telling me how it's like, and I thought, oh yeah, it would be cool to join up. So I came over here, signed up, and yeah, I love it.
The school wasn't for me, so I got brought to this course, and Alfred explained the course and how it was going, and really made it intriguing, and the fact that it making some money as well.
Definitely want to go into welding. I'm moved to Australia and working on the oil rigs out here.
I want to end up at the steel mill as well in Waiku, and I want to finish this course and get all my tickets, and I want to carry on doing welding for my whole life and get fabrication. I want to learn more about fabrication. Yeah.
My coolest part of being here was working with Alfred and making boxes and toolboxes for the future of use.
When I first came into FPT, I was real shy, and Alfred just made me feel so comfortable, and all the people here made me feel real comfortable. And I've made so much friends here, which I really enjoyed. And I've met so many different people, different cultures, and yeah.
He's got a great tutor, and he showed me, he got me into welding. He made me love it, and also